Hi, this is the Introverted Beauty. I am back again. Now, my last video I did an unboxing. Guess I'll turn it around. That doesn't help at all because it doesn't reverse. Oh, it did it. Anyway, you can tell what it is. Alright, so I am going to try my new lashes. You know, I love the magnetic eyeliner. Tori Belle was the creator of it, and it's phenomenal. It really is. So, these are the 9 to 5 lashes. So, we're going to put them on. And it's the middle of the day, but that's okay. Lashes work at any time of the day. So, first thing I have to do, is put my 2 coats on. Well, as a matter of fact, you know what? I think I'm just going to do one eye because I also want to do the Works Brow and Liner Kit. And my phone is attached to this mirror. I'm shiny all the time. So, bear with me. And no, I don't have any other makeup. I just don't feel like it. So, what we're going to do, hopefully I stay in line. Messy boots, messy boots. Okay, there is a learning curve. Because I'm accustomed to putting liner on with this type of brush. This is just the F-angle brush. And that's probably what I should have used, but I didn't, so we're not going to worry about it. And you need to let it dry between each coat. Oh, that is just so fabulous. See that? That's fabulous. So, this is good with me messing up, because then you won't feel bad if you mess up. Ooh. So, I have a fan. Let me turn it on here. Okay, so the fan might help it to blow for a little bit. But you know what we can do while we are waiting for that to get situated and dry? I want to try. I cannot help this. So here's a caveat. I am not good at videoing, and I keep looking at the center of the camera, and I'm supposed to look at the camera itself. See? Big difference. I'm looking at the camera. It makes it look like I'm looking at you. But I'm not good at it, so bear with me. So while we are waiting on that coat to dry, I'm gonna do my brows. And you're probably saying, well, your brows are already done. Well, they're not. Let me get closer. I'm gonna get closer and you can see that. A few years ago, I had my brows done with permanent makeup. And I didn't like the way, the color that the lady used. I did like the shape. The shape was perfect. But I didn't like it. How the color and how it turned out. And now it's starting, it's fading out. And in case you didn't know, I do have alopecia. I don't have full-blown alopecia. I have CCCA. And so my thinness or baldness is in this area. So, anyway, you get these lovely, you get 3 stencils. There's one that says the angle stencil. Let's see, you get the pixie and fairy. I'm not even going to take fairy out, okay? Now, I think we've talked long enough for my first coat to have dried. So I'm going to go ahead and put the second coat on. Okay. Let's see if I can do this one better. Okay. And I can't. But that's okay. It's just us, right? You don't mind. So, back to my trusty doomer jigger. I'm just going to leave that as is and let it do what it do. Or not. Well, yeah, it's okay. So anyway, I want to try this. Now, my brows, I don't have my spoolie brush, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to, oh, it doesn't take a lot. So I dipped in, got a lot, and I make use of all things. So I'm going to put it there just in case, because I think I got too much on the brush. And I've never used this, so bear with me. Oops. See? Oh, but I like the color. I wasn't sure if this was going to be too dark, and you might not agree. You might say, oh, what the heck is she doing? Nice. Okay, it's winter chicken dinner. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna come on down and see. Isn't that nice? Okay. Now, so let me close this up because I don't want that to dry out. And yes, I'm only going to do this side. This side of my face. And where's my spray? I'm in between suitcases because I just got back from Hawaii. Yes, I did. And sadly, I have not unpacked. And my spray cleaner that I use is not unpacked either. So anyway, we'll put this to the side, but normally I will use my brush a couple of times, and then I'll just take a paper towel or something. I am still looking. It is not here. And I can't even say the name of it because I forgot what the name of it is. But I've been using it for years and years and years, and it cleans your brushes amazingly. But you just spray your brush, and you can go back and forth on a paper towel, and it comes right off. Okay, so I am so excited about these, okay? What I need, well, dang it, my scissors aren't in here either. Well, so much for that. See, you know, you're supposed to be prepared when you do a video, but this lets you know I'm the real girl, real deal. So now, let's do these, okay? You think let me see. I think it's dry enough. So, these are my lashes. And, oh, that fan is trying to blow them away. Can you see the little shiny parts behind bits? Those are, yeah, I need to get my nails done. But I'm just holding off because I don't have anything to do right now. And I don't start in my new position until the middle of next month. So I'm just hanging out every day. All right, so, okay, again, as I always say, what you say. Nice. And you can reposition. I am going to reposition here. Oh, I'm not even in the camera. Sorry. I get excited and I forget that you're here with me. Now, here's my question. Why is that? Excuse me. I need something else to drink. I'm trying to figure out, oh. I'm so sorry. These look natural. Can you see from the side? And yes, I'm not editing my cough or anything else out. Bear with me. But they look so natural. I'm just truly... How you doing? Okay, you have to have the ability to laugh at yourself, and that's what I try to do as much as possible, because I'm not perfect. And this is an exercise in coming out of my shell. Because again, my title, Introverted Beauty, it's no joke. I've been an introvert since I was a little child. My favorite thing to do as a kid was to have a book. Back then it was Harlequin romances. And I would sit in a corner in my room and just lose myself. So, anyway, the brows. You got to get you some. The Works, that is the bomb, okay? And look at the lashes. You know, in my other videos I did the larger ones, but these are the 9 to 5, and they really are 9 to 5. I mean, look at that, look at that. Am I cute? Thanks for watching. Thanks for allowing me to look away from the camera and everywhere else but where I'm supposed to be looking. But anyway, thanks again.